Since 1956, ABB's Fort Smith plant has been manufacturing Baldor-Reliance industrial electric motors for some of the world's most demanding applications. The Fort Smith campus, located in the Arkansas River Valley along the Oklahoma border, is home to more than 1,700 employees.
Many customers buy Baldor motors for various applications. Mining, aggregate, food and beverage, pumps are just a few of the applications that our products are used for.
The Fort Smith plant manufactures more than 6,000 1 to 25 horsepower motors a day. These motors are used in almost every imaginable industrial application. Employees at ABB Fort Smith live across 2 states and more than 7 surrounding counties. Their reasons for working for the company are as varied as the roles they play. For more than 60 years, ABB and its employees have been proud to live and work in Fort Smith and the surrounding areas, supporting local organizations such as the United Way and Girl Scouts.
ABB has supported our local community for, well, as long as they've been here. I'm a lot more comfortable in knowing that they are supporting our community. The longer I'm here and the more I see them out in the community and sponsoring events that are very helpful to our charities here.
I actually come from a treatment center. It started out real slow, I didn't know too many people, I didn't say too much, but once I started talking and asking questions, they were very helpful. From the supervisors down to the regular machine workers like me, the regular workers, they all showed me a lot of love and a lot of help. And see, y'all gave me the opportunity. You said, you know what, y'all took a chance on me. You gave me an opportunity. Now I could have took this thing and went in a whole different direction. But I said, I got a job I can do. I did things a whole lot different because y'all had given me a chance. And I said, I'm not gonna ruin this one. So that's why each and every day I come in, I'm not gonna ruin this. I'm gonna be a better employee today than I was yesterday.
ABB's Fort Smith motor plant is the largest NEMA motor plant in the United States. To remain a competitive U.S. manufacturer and export motors around the world, the plant has made strategic investments in technologies and processes. It's also invested in an early career talent pipeline to support future growth through apprenticeships and internships.
So we have automated encapsulation systems that we use for wash down applications. We have automated paint systems we use to paint our end item product. We have 11 automated winding systems throughout the facility. We have an automated bar saw system where we optimize the bar and keep the scrap down for the saw system. And we are using AGVs for material deliveries throughout the facility, as well as we use ThingWorks for live monitoring of metrics throughout the facility, and Andon systems as a request for help for operators.
ABB has long invested in the people and products of the Fort Smith motor plant as well as the community around them. Looking forward, they see a bright and innovative future in western Arkansas.
It takes a lot of hard work and smart people to produce over 6,000 motors per day in the Fort Smith plant. The plant provides over 1,400 jobs locally, and that doesn't include outside suppliers and vendors that provide solutions and products for us. We expect to be involved in the Fort Smith community for many, many years to come. Our business is strong and ABB is investing in our products and our processes in order to grow our business in the Fort Smith area.
Fort Smith, Arkansas, home to U.S. manufacturing, essential employees, and ABB's Baldor-Reliance motors.